Tigers. Today is June 2nd, 2021. My name is Camila Mercedes, and I'm here with Angelique Perez. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Let's start off with the value of the month for June, which is positivity, which means the practice of being optimistic in attitude. Tigers, how will you show positivity at ACSW?
Now for the word of the week. The word of the week is encounter. Encounter is a verb and it means unexpectedly experiencing or be faced with something difficult.
Now for the STEM word of the week. The STEM word of the week is evident. Evident is an adjective and it means difficult to understand.
Now for today's weather. There will be a high of 87 and a low of 75. There will be a 40% chance of rain and humidity will be at 66%.
Now for the fun fact. Did you know the world's longest French fry is 34 inches long? That would take a week to eat. And that would be the best lunch of the world. Eat it with a whole jar of ketchup.
If you're interested in having your joke featured on Joke of the Day, please...
Oh my god.
I can't
to say my friends at exit.
I don't know why I'm laughing. If you're interested in having your joke If you're interested in having your joke featured on Joke of the Day, please submit your jokes to Mr. Gomez by sending him an email to gomez@academycharterschoolwest.com. Now for the joke of the day. How do you talk to giants? Use big words.
That's all I have for you today, Tigers. Always remember to follow the 3 R's plus. Respect, responsibility, integrity, and always be ready to learn. Please stick around after this broadcast to watch a video created by Jace Perez for the Youth Making Ripples contest. Have an amazing Wednesday, Tigers. Bye!
Bye!
Hello, I am Jay Perez. You might have seen Everglades and the oceans before. Well, today I'll be talking about how oceans and the Everglades are alike and how we can protect the wildlife living inside them and the places themselves. Chapter 1. How are the Everglades and the oceans similar? The Everglades and the oceans are similar because they have so many habitats home to lots of wildlife. They both also have salt water. Oceans and Everglades both have big environments. Chapter 2. What can we do to protect them? We can be sure not to throw anything in the oceans and the Everglades. We can prevent harm done to these environments by not releasing non-native animals into these environments. We can be sure not to overfish in areas and to obey the laws. When we are near the Everglades and the oceans, we can be sure not to put harmful things like plastics, liquids that are not water, trash, glass, containers, paper, styrofoam, wood, metal, and more. Also, do you know that in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is potentially 2 times the size of Texas, a majority of the garbage goes there, so all the garbage could potentially start a new garbage patch, which can take over the homes of millions of animals. Well, I hope you learned a lot about how we can protect the Everglades and oceans, and how are they similar.